Okay. Okay. Hey guys, what's up? We're here for another video. And today we'll be playing Blocky Cards Online. It looks kind of fun. Loading. I like the music. Okay, hurry up. Okay. I'm not gonna read. Trust me, school's coming up. I'm not gonna read. I'm just gonna read there. So I agree. Ooh. Okay, now we need to change this into Ultra Gaming. Create an account. Create an account. If you create a new account, your old account will be lost. You won't be able to create an account. Ooh, buttons. I love pressing buttons. Now, I don't know where I should put my camera at. That's why I made it. Oh, wait. There we go. We just make it very tiny. Oh, what is this? Welcome to Blocky Cards Online. Skip. Yes, let's do training because I have no idea what I'm doing. I literally just destroyed a couple of cars. Cars, what is he? Cars. My favorite movie is The Cars. Loading. Come on. And also, sorry I've been late, on videos. Ooh, I'm a farmer. Oh. Get it now. Battle Royale. Okay, nope. I have no idea where to put my camera now. Literally. Put that. Wait, did I skip training? I didn't read it. I don't read. Trust me, school's coming up. I'm gonna have to read. Okay. So let's just, what's this? What is this? There's a cart right here. What is this? I'm tapping on it. Ooh. Unblock? No, I'm not wasting my money. Let's battle now. Car modes of the heroes in arena. Ooh, well, let's do car modes. Ooh, waiting for players. What am I doing? I have no idea. Why is my camera moving? How do I move? How do I move? Waiting for a new battle. How do I move? It's hard. Start the truck. Oh, here we go. Oh, the game is real. I'm really fat. What is this? Present means good. I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, so we're supposed to attack the red guys? Of course. At it again. Wait. How is he flying? I want to fly. What is this? Can I attack the robot? I don't know who that is. Haha, I went through your legs. It's Evil Santa! Attack Evil Santa! No, we're supposed to attack the red guys. Evil Santa is part of the red, I can't show you. Ah! So I have no idea. I'm a newbie right now. Not like I'm a newbie and never did. Oh, I just this stuff. How did I get right here? I'm literally stuck. Oh. Get to the chopper! What am I doing? Oh, what's this? I like that. Let me get it. This stuff. I want it. Okay, fine. I don't need it. Yes, I do. It's probably a battery, and I'm a car, so I like eating batteries. It doesn't do nothing. Okay, fine. I need to go help my friends. Kirby. Uh-oh. Wait, what is this thing that... Come on, sir. Wait, who am I attacking? Oh, get that out of the way. Who am I attacking? Who's hitting me? Okay, I'm getting back in my car. With that. How do I get back in? I want to get back in. Oh, I'm sure. I'm running over. Oh wait, I supposed to attack the blue guys also? What is making me do that? Oh no, it's this guy. Oh, this hurt. Oh, so it's free for all. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm so confused. Oh my gosh, look at my health. Cool. Come here, I am the champion of here. I don't know if I can die if I go out. Oh, hey. Dang it. What am I doing? Am I attacking the blue guys or the white guys? Boom, got him. Oh, I'm the red up there. Oh, so the issue for... Oh, I'm breaking down his stuff. I'm destroying your car. Destroy his things. Destroy... Oh, ramp. How much better? I can make this! No, I can't make it. Come here. Ooh, some booty. Oh, wait. Who's shooting me? Someone's shooting me in the butt. Wait, am I attacking the red? Am I... Oh, I'm the red team. I don't know. No one told me this stuff. I'm gonna push him off the edge. Come on, man. Oh, he has missiles? I don't want missiles. Oh, so you get out of the car.
Smell it?
Yeah. I don't know, but I got it in my eye.
Smell it.
No, I don't want to smell it. I'm making a video. Oh, wow.
Smell it.
It's like grapes.
It's blueberry slushy.
Stay back! Okay, fine, so I'm keeping that in the video. I don't care anymore. Come on, get him! Get him! Come on. I gotta mirror him. Come on, you have to choose. What? He's missing half of his stuff. Oh, he's dead. Got him. Wait, is that a health pack or... Oh, that hurts. I think it's health pack. Oh, it's not a health pack. Give me back in. Oh, you didn't get prepared. I'll never wait. Next car. What do I have next? Oh, what's on my team? Oh, this guy's running something. Wait, why am I? Oh, I can watch the enemy's team also. Oh, I'm back in. Let's do this. Let's do this. Where's he at? Where he at? Evil Santa, where they at? Oh, they're everywhere. Come on. Yes. Got him. Come on, bro. I'm chasing him down the hill. Rodeo. Come on, I'm getting him. Destroy his defenses. You can never take me down. Oh, there's two of them. I'll take down him. I just ran him over. Oh, wait, he's still alive. No. Come on, get him. How's he still alive? I'm pretty sure you get shot by multiple things from a car. People will be gone by now. Come on. Oh, why is the blue team winning? No, this will not be allowed. Yeet. Oh, one of my teammates are here. Oh no, they're not. They're over there. Come on, take down his defenses. No! Come on, mate. Wow, oh no, I'm still seeing him. Okay. Restart after 1 second. 0 seconds. Oh, so this is a rematch? I'm going against the red team? No, I'm going against blue. Yet again. Okay, well, at least now I'm learning. I'm learning. Okay, attack him. Why is he in the house? Get out of the house. He's stuck. Don't worry. I hope you... There you go. Take him down. Take him out. Come on. Yeah. Oh, why are you teleporting, man? It's sorry, they're teleporting. Mine's just glitching out. I think I'm glitching out. No, stop. No, get out of here. Get out of here. No, how come they have missiles? I want missiles. Kobe. Oh. Take out his wheels. Oh, that looked like a giant robot. Take them down. Okay. There's 3 of them. Okay, I need to retreat. I'm a coward. Come on, go. One of my guys are dead, or is that someone? Help me! Yes, my team is here. Oh. That's what we need reinforcement. Someone took out. Did I take out his wheel? I don't know. Destroy that window so then we can take his guy out. Come on. Come on. So far, we're winning by 1 point. What the heck? How did he respawn? I can't move. He took all my wheels. Oh, great. I've been trying to move this whole entire time. I'm stuck. Come on, come out, you wuss. Yeah, no one's gonna help me. I'm getting out of the car. Get some stuff. Car right there. Oh, something's shooting me. Ow, I have no idea. What did I... Oh, what? Oh, so whenever I come out of the car, you come at me. It's fine. It's fine. It's okay. I'm coming after you. At least I got some stuff. Okay, I think I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna start doing some stuff. I don't know what. Oh, take him out. Come on. Oh, how many inside it? Come on, get him. Come on, bro. Come on, what's up? Take me out. No, fine. I'm getting out. Oh, I got him. Let me get back in my car. Oh, hey, what's up, team? Oh, the blue guy. Blue. I'm blue. Yeah, you wanna pick on me and my team? Huh? You wanna go? Yeah, he's retreating. Let's get him. Oh, I think we broke one of his wheels. He's driving off funny. Oh, I got him. Let's take on one of these guys. He had enough. Yeah. Take out his wheels. I'm gonna just want my team. Oh! Ooh. What's this? What is this? Oh, it's a timer. Go on, let's go. Come on, move in, boys, move in. Oh, ha! Hey, what's up? How you doing? How long has my recording been going on? Oh, okay. I think we're gonna make this a 20-minute video. Oh, over here. Let's go. Kobe! Come on, you wanna pick on my team? Huh? Come on, don't run away. I tried to run away, and that didn't help me. Because I got killed. Ah, treat! Kids, never drive unless you're 18 or older. Or 16 or something. I don't know. Come on. Let's get him. That's thing, he's dodging like a pro. Come on. Come on, man. Take me out. Oh, yeah, you're gonna call your boys at me? Oh, I'll take them out, too. Kobe. Slow motion Kobe. What is he driving? I'm pretty sure he wouldn't. Oh, come on, me and you. What? Okay. Right there. Oh, I think somewhere in the room. Ah. Yeah, it's somewhere in your room. Okay, sorry guys. Oh, we're winning by 1. Come on, we gotta do this, boys. We need by 2. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. I can't tell that guy I was shooting at was my teammate or not. We like hijacked them. I'm gonna hijack. That's the number playing too much Halo. Nah, I'm joking. I don't have Halo. I used to have Halo. Come on. Gosh dang, this guy took like 50 bullets. Oh, victory. Okay, let's leave. Okay, let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do. Okay, got it. Oh, I'm level 2. Ooh, what is this? What is this? Oh, it's stuff. Okay, what's this? Oh, what the heck? What is this? I can build stuff? Oh, sweet! I can build my own car. Dude, that. Wait, would it not shoot? I don't know, but I don't trust it. So. Wait, how come I can't move it? Oh gosh, I'm messing up my curve. How come I can't auto rotate? How come I can't move it? Oh, there's different things. Do I have any weapons? I do. How come I can't move this? Can I move it? Reset. Oops. Okay, do not reset. That was a huge mistake. Okay. Okay, let's build it back. I was actually never good at Minecraft. Do that. Boom, 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 and then boom. And then weapons. Put down. Oops. Okay, I'm gonna bring you guys all back whenever I. Okay, guys, I am finished with my car. It didn't let me put no more blocks on for some reason. It says I can only put on 30 blocks. So this is the driving machine. I can't put on no more blocks. So, oops. Where did that block? Oh no. This is bad. Okay, hold on. Put that. Where was it? And I took out that block and this one. Okay. So, are you serious? Come on. Okay. So, right now it's safe. Okay. So right now, I'm going to end the video here. See you guys all later. Remember, you are filled with bravery. All y'all. I don't know. We'll see you guys all later. Bye.